Alright guys, today I'm gonna install this Prinsu Design Studio roof rack for Toyota Tundra, and I'm gonna have it professionally installed. This is the box it came from, the Prinsu racks. It's been a while, it's been sitting in my garage, so finally I'm gonna have it installed professionally. So let's see how it turns out, and I'll keep you updated. And this is the shot of the truck without the Prinsu rack, and this is how it looks without the rack, just to have an idea. And this is the pre, and then I'm gonna make a video post. Continue with making holes on the roof. Man, that's sketchy. The weather stripping has been removed, and the roof has been, right now they're installing it. Yeah, they're drilling the hole on the roof right now. It's a thick metal plate. It takes a while to get through. These guys are the pros. The customers are not allowed in the workshop, or else I'll go in and shoot the detail, but I'm only allowed to shoot from the entrance door. But anyways, you see the point. These are the professionals at the work, carefully drilling the hole. I hope it works. I hope it works out without any problems. So this is the final result of the rooftop install Prinsu rack for Toyota Tundra, and this is how it looks after the install. It's been I think it's been more than 2 weeks since I had it installed. I just want to test it out to make sure nothing is loose, or there is no water leaks. So far so good. Closer look in the front of the Prinsu rack. This side angle, everybody keeps complaining that I shoot too close, so I'm gonna try to get an overall shot of the truck. Great looks. It looks industrial. That's the only term I can think about it. A lot of metal going on. It's much better than the plain rooftop that the Tundra has. Very angular, looks like a sword. On the side, there is a Prinsu rack logo here. All right, and then let me climb on top. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows of metal beams. You can mount stuff in there. One thing, guys, I have a little regret. Only regret for this roof rack is going to be I should have bought the roof rack with the LED lights over here. That would have been much better. It looks incomplete without it. I didn't buy the roof light because it is so common. Every damn truck has those rooftop lights, and it for me it's not a look for me, so I didn't buy it. So I'm gonna continue this as long as I can, and I am going to buy some rigid rectangle lights that's gonna go on my sports bar, so that's gonna complete the look. And I can mount anything on top. It is rated for carrying heavy weight. So one more thing, guys, the installation, I mean, the guys who did it on their own, man, it took them half a day to install this, and 2 guys working non-stop, 5 to 6 hours of installation time, and very technical. I mean, they really had to drill some real significant holes on the roof of the truck. I'll try to show you guys the holes look like, and they had to seal the holes with some water sealant, very important, so that the water doesn't seep through. And those guys, I took it to a store that is known to install these roof racks and the bed, so they knew what they were doing. I told them you have to drill holes on the roof. They're like, yeah, that's no problem, we do it every day. And they sealed it pretty well. And since the installation, I've been through a lot of storms, rain storms. Truck's been parked outside, no drop of water inside the liner. So far it had worked out great. So for me it's been great. The roof rack for me, it completes the look of the truck for now. I'm just missing those LED lights. I know I'm shooting against the sun. This is the overall look. I would have it, if you guys want to have it installed, I would have it a professional install it. It's too much of a headache. They had a hard time installing it themselves. My truck fits in my garage, so I didn't install those lights at the store yet. I'm still looking for some lights, LED lights for it, Rigid Industries lights for this truck. Update for the truck, well, I'll save that for some other time. That's about it for this Toyota Tundra Prinsu rack roof system. This is one of the best roof systems available, and is very popular. A lot of Toyota people use this. Power coated, black, pure strong metal, really good quality, very high quality. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you.